boys RC TTO challenge. I haven't been able to get out in a bit, so wish me luck. We're at a new location, so we'll see how it goes. We had to go to the Lego store this morning. We're gonna be running our dual URGENEX. Still got the middle brace broken, so we're gonna figure something out here. Turn this guy on. Come on, working. Uh-oh.
When's the last time you
my battery's dead.
Okay. Well.
That sucks. Alright. Got the GPS charged. Give it another go. Cross your fingers. Zip tie over here. We're running short on time, so I'm not going to be able to try out our new URGENEX splitter that we got. That'll have to be next time around. We're just going to see if we can get it a little faster than that. Found one on the ground!
Are you serious?
That's awesome, because mine was too short.
That's so funny.
Meant to be, Lauren. Take the signs as you get them, right? Better work this time. There we go. Now again, this is with our URGENEX dual 4400. We're at 0. Obtained a GPS signal now. Max is still at 0. Alright, let's just make sure we get a signal. Hopefully one of these cameras is working. I know it's been a little while since we got it out, but...
Want me to do?
What? Yeah. Bring her back.
No.
Make sure you guys check out our new build series coming out soon. It's TT02B. That's the buggy version. What the heck is going on here? There we go. We got a signal. Go forward and back just to show that it's. So 3 is our max. I didn't bring my tape to tape the front end down, so we're gonna have to rely on a little bit of luck here. A little bit of luck. All right, let's give her a roll. That's our old farm market there. Whoa! Alright, let's bring it back real quick. I'm not sure how good these batteries are.
Yeah, it seemed like it was going somewhere.
Slow?
Yeah.
Felt slow. Ah, we're hold on a minute.
Was your throttle turned down?
It was on half.
Okay.
Hold on. Let's see what it was at half. So half throttle, we got 38 miles an hour.
So we should be able to at least get to the 70s.
Yeah. I hope so. Well, I would hope at least 60s. But we already got 68, so. Yeah. So the goal today is just to not crash. What? The goal today is just to not crash. We gotta get home because Mama's gotta. Ooh, that's better.
I'm waiting for you to go over that bump and for it to just like disappear. Is your gyro turned on? It's still 38. Yeah.
Let's take the clips off. I'm gonna give it one more full pull. If it crashes, it crashes, then we're out of here. I think the battery and or the space.
Ooh. Did water just come out of it? You were driving it in the puddles yesterday.
Oh! That's what I was. Oh! That's exactly what I was talking about.
You always go near the poles. Why do you have to drive right next to them? There's literally only one spot of poles. You were getting cocky thinking you could go through the poles. What was speed? What's the speed?
That was weak anyways. 49 miles an hour. 49 miles an hour. I saw the ding. At least you got a little comedy relief for today. That's all. It's a win. I broke my shocks. Left to do a recess and I make a video. Something's wrong with my steering anyway. Mike, you live to do another day, man. I know you said you got a new PP. So, be back out at it.